Welcome to my craft channel at Daisy Nick's Recipes and DIY Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely lavender and chamomile slumber gel to help you have a restful night's sleep. And this one has lovely glitter in it. Ingredients. I've started with an aloe vera base for the gel, then organic fine lavender essential oil and chamomile essential oil. Now, depending on the size of your container, it depends on how many drops. I have put a dilution chart up so you can see how many drops to put in this size of your container. Also, colorants. This is a water-based colorant and a mica colorant. They're both cosmetic safe, and also a glitter, cosmetic safe glitter. You don't have to put those in there, optional, but I like to because it makes it look very pretty. Equipment. You'll need a jar or container to put your slumber gel in. There's different sorts you can get. I'm today using this cosmetic container, and I got these in a selection size from Primark at 150, which is amazing for containers, but you can get them from Boots, cookware shops, all that sort of thing. Also, you'll need a spatula and a container jug to mix your product in. And this here is a little jug, but it has the milliliters on the side. It's very good if you have a container, you don't know the size of the container, you can just fill this up with water and just check how many milliliters your container carries, so you can work out the percentage of drops for your essential oil. Also, if you look on my Facebook page, I've made some little labels here for the lavender slumber gel, a few different sizes so they fit different containers. Just go to my page, click save image and print onto A4 label sheets, one label per sheet. So this is a sticky back paper. I've also left some plain that you could perhaps stick onto the bottom of your container and just list the ingredients and the date you made it. Before starting, spritz all of your utensils and containers with rubbing alcohol. This ensures that there's no germs on your utensils or your equipment. There you go, and then just wipe those down. And it makes sure it's all sterilised. So I'm going to start with the aloe vera gel. I'll just let that evaporate. So I'll start with the aloe vera gel, and I'm doing a 3% mix today. So I'll be using 40 milliliters of aloe vera gel. So I'm going to mix in here, so I'll just pop that into there. There we go. Now I'm going to add in, for a 3% dilution on 40 milliliters, that's 24 drops of essential oil. So I'll use 12 drops of lavender essential oil, and 12 drops of chamomile essential oil. going to give that a little stir around. And then we're going to add the colourant. Now you don't need to add this in at this stage if you don't want colourant in your product. I'm just going to do mine very, very pale, and also add a little bit of glitter. I'll just combine that round. Smells amazing. Going to put a little bit more in there of the colourant. There you go, that's all mixed round, so I'm just going to pop it into my container. And there you go. And now that smells so nice. I'm just going to rub that on my hand. Oh, that smells gorgeous. So this is great to rub onto your chest about a half an hour before bed. Also rub on pressure points, perhaps like your temples, your wrists. Put a little bit on your wrists just before bed, and that'll just help calm you down and ease you into a nice restful sleep. Now also I have the labels here, so if you'd like to put a label onto your container, just go onto my Facebook page, type in Daisy Nix Recipes, and you'll find this image. Click Save Image and print onto A4 label sheets, one label per sheet, so it's basically one big sticky back piece of paper. I do have the plain ones as well, which you can cut out, stick on the bottom if you want to put the recipe on there, or the ingredients, or even the date that you made the Slumber gel. Now this should last 6 months as long as you sterilised everything nicely, but you'll probably end up using it well before then. I always do. So this is something you can keep on your bedside table. There we go. 1 tub of Slumber gel. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you liked my recipe and my video. Please subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.